ALERE is the perfect software system to manage operations for a service company. ALERE will put you on the cutting edge of technology, and one example of this is ALERE's unique ability to enter service orders from anywhere out in the field where there is internet access using mobile devices. That's crucial because every day the workforce is getting younger, and mobile devices are the business tools of the future. These ALERE apps can be custom designed to meet your exact specifications in a few hours, so your technicians in the field can efficiently enter error-free service orders. How does that compare to the traditional billing method of text turning in paperwork that no one can read back at the office and the billing people invoicing it when they get around to it? Now in this example we have a service technician in the field, and he's entering a service order directly into ALERE for materials and labor consumed in the field. Now for the purposes of recording this video, I'm entering the order on my laptop, but in reality it will be entered using a tablet out in the field because we all know that mobile devices are the business tools of the future. Now this screen showing a stripped down version of the order entry app that we've developed to streamline the entry process. Now I'll go ahead and enter materials that we're using. In this case I'm just going to use a coil. And it's got a picture of the material so tech can confirm it's the right one. Now I'm going to go ahead and select the labor now. And I'm just going to say the technician spent 1 hour in labor. I'm going to go ahead and save the order. And as you can see, once it's saved, it's assigned an order number, 70063. And I'm finished. Now in this particular case, I just entered one material and one labor line item, but you can enter as many as you want. So I'm going to go ahead and finish with this particular order. Now, back in the office, if we go into ALERE now, bring up the order, there it is, 70063 that the tech entered from out in the field. Now, the office people who can billing, they can edit it if necessary or simply go ahead and invoice it. Now this service order entry app for technicians is only one example of ALERE's many apps that can be developed. There could be as many as people want. The only limitation is a company's imagination as to how they can use ALERE to deliver the exact data their people need when and where they need it. Now ALERE also lets you track inventory very closely, including inventory on a location or truck by truck basis. For instance, let me bring up that coil that we just entered on the technician's order. You can see I've got 147 total, but it shows you also a truck by truck basis how many I have. So I can track it on a location by location or vehicle by vehicle basis. If I want to look a little closer at what's happened for a particular location, bring up truck 1 for instance, refresh it, and you can see what happened. On the 10th, I put 12 of these in truck 1. One got used on the 12th, one got used on the 15th. I can also run reports that can show total inventory for all items by vehicle, as well as inventory management for all materials on a truck by truck basis. Now ALERE also manages purchases, payables, financial reporting, and many other accounting and order fulfillment functions as well. And this video could go on quite a bit longer covering all the features. But I wanted to highlight the service order entry via mobile devices and the high degree of inventory visibility, because these are two especially unique features that will pay for the software in no time for service companies.